Hello, good evening. Here we are to make today's video portfolio update. Well, the portfolio is, let me refresh, is up roughly 3% today, with ACH up 4.6%, INSW up 1%, EDAC up 3.75%, SIF up 1.86%, and MCZ up 3.36%. And I am winning in 4 stocks and losing just a bit on SIF. And this is the daily, our chart since inception. We had a small dip here. The portfolio started with 25,000 in June 1st, 2007. It is at almost 28,000 now, up 11.73%. I don't know if we're at an all-time high. I would have to check this. This is our intraday chart. Okay, let's move on to the individual holdings. I have here ACH, and it is approaching its all-time high at 42.64. Perhaps the consolidation period will continue, but fundamental value, as we've been talking about it, is more than $50, roughly $60, so I'll keep holding this. And INSW, curiously enough, the stock opened right at the 50 days moving average support, and at 6.8, which is the price insiders have been buying, and the stock is recovering a bit now with volume increasing. You can see it on this chart because volume is still very low at 25,000 shares, but let me check here. Yes, up 1.66% at 7.15, and volume is picking up. I believe we're gonna have a big bull candle here, big white candle, because there was news yesterday, absolutely no reaction, but it was very nice news. You can check it on the INSW's thread. Okay, EDAC, well, reacting well here to the new support, prior resistance level 9, so I'll keep holding this one. And here's the tough part of this update. Well, I'm losing a bit on SIF, and I absolutely need to buy a new stock, which I found extremely attractive. This is the best stock I've ever found since the launch of stocks of the video portfolio, so I definitely gotta buy it, and one of these has to go because I'm only allowed to have 5 holdings. And well, as a rule of thumb, I always sell the underperformer, and SIF is the one. Perhaps I'm wrong on my analysis. Probably, I don't think so. This is just a short-term consolidation period. The stock probably will rise some more. But I've always also checked the financials on a quarterly basis, and there are a lot of changes, profits followed by losses, followed by big profits. So there's not a high reliability in the earnings per share. So because I'm losing a bit on this one, I'm gonna let it go. I'm selling, not selling, but taking SIF out of the video portfolio at today's closing price. It doesn't matter the price I sell, or if I sell today or not. What matters is the video portfolio. I always use the closing price, so you have plenty of time to take action if you want to, or to pass it if you don't want to. Okay, so SIF will be out of the video portfolio at today's closing price, and I'm gonna buy this one, SLT. This is a recent IPO. The IPO was well, we're on Thursday, was on Tuesday. Well, I'm sorry, just a second. Okay. Okay. The IPO was on Tuesday. The stock, the initial price was 13.44. The stock entered the market at 14.10 and rose sharply here, but I find it still very, very, very attractive. This is an Indian mining company, copper mining company, but also with operations in zinc and aluminium. It reminds me of ACH. This was a suggestion by one of our members, and I want to thank him for this one because it's really a great pick, I believe. So I'm buying this one, SLT. at today's closing price will be added to the video portfolio. The name of the company is Sterlite, and let's just check my valuation model for it. You can see here that I expect the stock to rise 82% a year going forward, according to my estimates. You can read all about it in this stock specific thread. So I gotta move on because I still need to update the video, and that takes a very long time. So to see if I have time to send the newsletter before 3:30 p.m. 3:30 p.m. Well, you know what I mean. 3:30. Okay, buying SLT. So bye. See you tomorrow.